So, I think it was Sunday night, I spoke on my live about taking your fruit tree's leaves, like citrus, just the leaves alone, and you can make a tea with them. Or you could put them in your teas to give that flavor. So this is an orange tree leaf. And what she smells like? Yeah, she smells like oranges. And you can make teas with the leaves. This is a lime, and she smells like herself. Lemon, very lemony, extremely lemony. Oh, this is a pear. I want to try this one. Wait a minute, y'all. I didn't get a lot of pear flavor from this pear leaf. No, I didn't. But the three citrus, orange, lemon, and lime, yes, lots and lots of lemon and their flavors is in it. Now this is a Jamaican Sauer leaf. It's edible, and I don't know what she smells like, but she have a scent to her, but I just don't know what it is. But this is Jamaican Sauer. Now, when I make my Jamaican Sauer drink, I do add the leaves to the juice. Yep. So, if you have citrus trees, go out, grab some of your leaves, break them, smell them. You will see for yourself. Hey everybody, Jada is here.
Hey everybody.
What you got, Jada? What are we doing?
So today I have some moringa seeds, or some moringa tree seeds. And here's what they look like cracked, and here's how she does it. So she cracks it just like this, and then peels it, and this is the peel, and this is the seed that comes from it.
Right, all right.
And also, these are dried, by the way. And here are the seeds before they're cracked.
Let's see. Get a good shot of them. Cool. Now, you know, many people have different ways of how they grow their moringa trees. Some people just crack the seed and plant it, you know, in the cracked shell.
Kind of like this one.
Yeah, but I take my entire seed out of the shell and I drop the seed just like this, just like that. That's it's done. And so one of my cousins asked for moringa, but he said he couldn't get it started, so I'm gonna start him 2 moringa trees.
Yep.
That's what we're doing. But thank you, Jada.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Yeah, that's really cool. We're gonna have some moringa seeds on my tree real soon because she is loaded with flowers. Yeah. So this is my moringa tree. I don't know if, oh yeah, you can see the flowers. There they are right there. There's some there, there's some here. There's lots of spaces where there's flowers. There's some there. It's a lot of them, really. There's a lot of them here too. Yeah. She's doing really good. She's a tall mama, but she's doing real good. So I'm gonna let her stay until she give me these seeds, or, you know, whatever may happen. We'll see. But I won't cut her down. No. Alright, guys. Matter of fact, this pepper plant is looking better. She is just growing beautifully. And she's full of flowers, y'all. Full of flowers. So I'm going to dehydrate these peppers and make some blend. That's for my son. Yeah, I'm gonna put that. That's for him. Because These are the Sugar Rush, and they got some heat, y'all. Don't let that little yellow color fool ya. She got heat. Yeah. Yeah. So everything is looking good and doing well. Growing pretty good so far. Yeah. This is just gorgeous. This was open this morning. Just beautiful. Just beautiful. It's really big though, y'all. Yeah. So this is the pink ladies, and they are about to bloom. They're really beautiful, and I do like them a lot. The bad part is that I cannot find any more of the bulbs, but I do enjoy them. And as I said, when Ben cut them, they now begin to give me more flowers. So here it is. So these are my pink ladies. They bloomed this morning. Wait, let me get them. There they are. Both of them bloomed. Hey, hey. So these flowers, they were offered by the Dollar Tree some years ago. I haven't seen them over there in some years now, but they come back in my garden every year. They are a bulb flower. Yeah. Dollar Tree's pink lady. Hey girls, hey girls. There they are. Gorgeous. So, this is my okra. I'm gonna harvest one here, and I have another one to harvest this morning. And she put on her first flower this morning. Let's see, there's another one over here. Let's see here. What we got, girl? Boom. Yeah. Alright, so let's get an okra. And this one. Alright. Okra. So if you think maybe that's a Moringa family, it's not a Moringa at all. Nope. She's one of those wannabes, but she wanna be like and look like the Moringa, so other insects don't try to eat her, because many insects will not eat a Moringa because it's poisonous. But have you seen on my channel, the lizards just don't care. The lizards will. So this is my butterfly peas. So one thing I notice about the butterfly peas is that some of them are turning gold. So that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Yeah, a lot of them are turning gold, and we're gonna have some peas really soon. So that's really cool. But listen, I want to thank everyone that came out to the live on Sunday night. I want to thank you all for wishing my son a happy birthday. It was a wonderful day. I just pray and hope that he can help someone along his way, right? But thank you all. Thank you all for the happy birthdays, for the super chats. Oh my God. For all the just sweet words. Very kind words. Thank you all so much. All right, guys. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Look at that. Wow. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and we will see each other in the next video.